Hello there. Today's CSS video is on a CSS property known as word spacing. So I have these three paragraphs stuck inside of a div. Let's go ahead and start working on them. So we're going to do the p tag and a couple curly braces, and the property that we're looking for is word spacing. And there's basically just one setting on this. Well, there's inherit, and then there's none, or sorry, normal. But you want to do the normal in case it's doing weird spacing and you want to set it back to normal. Like maybe you did all of the paragraphs, but you want this one paragraph to appear normal. Inherit will inherit from its parent item. So let's say, for example, you have 10 pixels, and that will space all the words out by 10 pixels. I also have a span here, so we'll do a span and word spacing normal. Save that and refresh, and you can see, let's put a background on it. Background yellow, and we save that, refresh. There it is right there. So the spacing on it is normal. If we bump it up even more to say 100 pixels, there you go. So the span's not inheriting. That's the point that I'm trying to make here. That's where it does it. Or you can just do inherit, and then it'll go just like the rest of everything else. So let's get rid of that again. Basically, you need to go over the sizes as well. You can actually do. You can't do percent in this situation, but you can do inches. Inches are possible, 1 inch apart. You can do centimeters. Centimeters are possible. You can do negative centimeters. All of these guys will do negatives. So negative centimeter. Oop, that makes them lay over top of one another. Millimeter. That'll just make them run up against each other. Let's try negative 2 millimeters. Kind of like that. You can do points. 0.5 centimeters. So then you've got m's. So we'll do a negative 1 m, which is the size of the letter M, basically the size of the font. So we can do 1M positive, or 2M. The X is half of an M, so 2X will actually equal 1M. Oh, wait a, I guess it's not precise. 2X, 1X. It's supposed to be the size of an M, so if we do 1M, and then 2x is supposed to be equal to 1m, but I guess not in this context. Yeah, well, so x is available as well. There's points, so we could do a 12-point spacing in between all of the words, which is actually equal to 1 pica. Or we'll do 2 picas. I always think that's percent, but 2 picas, 1 pica, 12 point. 12 point is actually equal to, well, 72 point is actually equal to 1 inch. So there's 72 point, 1 inch, same difference. And then you can also do pixels, which I think I've shown already. Say 100 pixels, or 5 pixels, or negative 5 pixels. There you go. So there's all the measurements. That's the word spacing property in CSS, and you know, it's a lot like the letter spacing properties. So let's do, which spaces out the letters, but words spacing just does the words and leaves the letters inside the word alone. Well, alright then, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed the experience of this tutorial, why not share it with your friends?